Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camera drones available on the market in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, this list has something for everyone. I'll break down the features, performance, and value of each one to help you decide which is the best fit for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. At number 5, we have the LinkBest E88 drone, a budget-friendly option aimed at beginners and casual users. This compact drone comes with a 480p HD camera that allows for basic photography and video capture. While the resolution won't blow you away, it's sufficient for fun social media posts or family moments. The drone also features app-controlled flight, which adds convenience for beginners who want to avoid the complexity of traditional controllers. The design is foldable, making it ultra-portable and easy to carry around. It even comes with a handy storage case, which is a thoughtful addition at this price point. The dual rechargeable batteries are a nice touch, offering a total flight time of approximately 20 to 25 minutes. However, the maximum range of 30 meters limits its usability outdoors, especially in windy conditions. While the E88 drone is not designed for professional photography or advanced features, it's a great entry-level drone for kids, teens, and anyone looking for a straightforward flying experience. The one-key takeoff, landing, and 360-degree flip functions add some fun to the mix. On the downside, the camera resolution and range are quite basic, and it's not ideal for outdoor use in windy conditions. Overall, this drone is perfect for indoor flying and as a beginner's gift. Coming in at number 4 is the OKUK FPV camera drone, which offers excellent value for its price. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 150 degrees adjustable lens, this drone is perfect for capturing family outings or scenic landscapes. It even includes a night vision feature, which is rare at this price point, allowing for low-light photography. The brushless motors provide a quieter and more reliable flying experience, and the altitude hold feature ensures stable hovering. The OKUK drone stands out for its long flight time, thanks to the inclusion of 3 rechargeable batteries, allowing up to 45 minutes of total flying time. The drone also features obstacle avoidance, making it beginner-friendly and great for kids aged 14 and up. The foldable design and included storage bag make it easy to transport. And interesting features like 360-degree flips and 3-speed modes add a fun factor. However, the drone does have its limitations. While the camera is decent, it's not suitable for professional-grade photography. Also, the obstacle avoidance feature can be overly sensitive, which may limit maneuverability in tight spaces. Overall, the OKUK drone is a great mid-range option for families, beginners, and casual users looking for a user-friendly flying experience. At number 3, we have the Otter drone with camera, which delivers a well-rounded flying experience for adults and teens alike. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle, allowing you to capture clear and dynamic shots. The drone's optical flow positioning enhances stability, making it easier to get steady video footage, even for beginners. The app-controlled features like trajectory flight and gravity control add an interactive element to the flying experience. This drone is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold make it a breeze to operate, even if you've never flown a drone before. The inclusion of 2 batteries extends the flight time to approximately 28 minutes, which is respectable for a drone in this price range. The foldable design and carrying case make it portable and travel-friendly. While the Otter drone is a solid performer, it lacks advanced features like obstacle avoidance and high-resolution video capture. It's best suited for casual users who want a dependable and fun drone for recreational flying. Pros include its ease of use, stable flight performance, and reasonable flight time, while cons include its limited camera quality and lack of advanced functionalities. Overall, this is a great starter drone for adults and older teens. Taking the second spot is the DJI Neo, a compact and lightweight drone that packs a punch with its 4K UHD camera and advanced features. Weighing only 135 grams, the Neo is regulation-friendly and doesn't require FAA registration, making it an excellent option for recreational users. The standout feature is its controller-free operation. You can launch it directly from your palm, and it offers multiple control options, including voice commands and app control. The Neo is designed for ease of use and portability. It includes subject tracking, quick shots, and DJI's signature stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and professional quality footage. The built-in propeller guard adds an extra layer of safety, making it ideal for indoor use and for nervous flyers. Its 10-kilometer range and level 4 wind resistance make it a versatile option for outdoor adventures as well. While the DJI Neo is an impressive drone, its 12-megapixel camera resolution is slightly lower than some competitors. Additionally, it lacks a traditional remote controller, which might be a downside for users who prefer tactile controls. Overall, this drone is perfect for travelers, vloggers, and casual users who prioritize portability and ease of use over advanced professional features. Taking the top spot is the DJI Mini 3, a powerhouse of a drone that combines portability, performance, and professional-grade features. This lightweight drone weighs under 249 grams, which means no FAA registration is required for recreational use. The 4K HDR camera with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures stunningly smooth and detailed footage, even in challenging conditions. Its vertical shooting mode is perfect for creating social media-ready content for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The Mini 3 boasts an impressive flight time of up to 38 minutes, which can be extended to 51 minutes with an optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Its 10-kilometer video transmission range and level 5 wind resistance make it a reliable choice for capturing breathtaking landscapes. The GPS auto-return feature adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring the drone comes back to you if the battery runs low or it loses signal. It's also beginner-friendly, with features like precise hovering, one-button takeoff/landing, and in-app tutorials. While the DJI Mini 3 is on the pricier side, its performance and feature set justify the investment. It's ideal for professionals, hobbyists, and anyone looking to capture high-quality aerial footage. Pros include its exceptional camera, long flight time, and robust build quality, while cons are limited to the higher price tag and the need for optional accessories to unlock its full potential. This is the ultimate drone for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.